Kittens. Oh, jeez. You guys have been doing a ruckus, huh? Hey, let them in the area, just not over the fence. Here.
I'm trying to stop another cat.
Well, then don't bother. We'll get him out. It's time to go to the vet to get the vaccines. We'll be back around 12 noon, but it could go to 12:15. Just getting ready to put the banner up. Okay. Now, girls, now let's do the keep the same people. Hi, Nigel. Look at you coming out so I can betray your tiny trust. Oh, he sees Koog, that's why. He's like, friend. Oh no, my tiny trust has been broken. That's a good idea. Let him in so you can draw out Nigel. Hey, beautiful. Don't freak out. I'll get Kougra out, but go ahead and open up the door. Alrighty, guys, we'll be back shortly. Thank you, sir. Well, come on, Koog. We gotta go. He's like, no, you cannot take me alive. Alright. Enjoy the room. Have a nice day.